So folks, the reason why this G-Wagon was brought to me was because the owner of this G-Wagon wanted us to fix the exterior trim that goes alongside the whole vehicle. So we're talking about this strip right here. Well, strips. They go alongside all the exterior of the vehicle. I'll tell you what, German engineering was never prepared for Mexican ingenuity. Oh yeah, baby. We fix everything with sticks and hay bale wire. Let's get it. Now, as this is the first time that I get up close and personal with the G500 G-Wagon, I start noticing little things here and there. You know, this is probably my 4th day with the car, so I'm looking at it every single day, and I'm noticing it's not symmetrical all the way around. So the backup light, there's only one, and it's only on the passenger side. And then we go to the driver's side, and you have a red lens instead of an all-white lens. And it doesn't stop there. Look at the vents on the fender. Now we go to the other side. Do you guys notice anything? Look at the location and the size of this vent, right? And now look at the size of this vent and its location. Now this G-Wagon does have the Brabus body kit on it. Did you guys notice anything else? This vehicle comes equipped with radar. So the radar thing that shoots radar.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Now, if you're a fan of symmetry like I am, I would have rather have the cruise control radar detector thingamabob in the middle, but it's only located on the driver's side.
Get ready for a major remodel, fellas. We're back in hardware mode.
What's this doing here?
That's it. Bring this to me.
You know what this is?
It's exactly what I need to make this work.
got done with all the 4 rims. You guys want to see all the brake dust and accumulation that I was able to take off of the rims? Check that out. Almost looks like an extraction.